I'm in a $1 million mood. I'ma shout it from the roof in a $1 million mood. I woke up feeling great, sun is shining on my face now. I'm just kicking back with these rosy colored glasses on. What a dream, grass never looked so green. Little birdies in the tree keep singing my favorite song. It must be my lucky day. Everything go in my way. I'm looking out because I'm way up. I keep this smile on my face, cause I can sleep in all day and stay up all night. I'm living my dream, I'm living my life. Got nowhere to be and nothing to do but kick my feet up and enjoy the view. I'm in a $1 million mood. I'ma shout it from the roof in a $1 million mood. If I jump, I might fly to a cloud in the sky. People waving from the ground when they see me passing by. With my hands in the air and the sun in my eyes, I just wanna shout it out. It's the best day of my life. Feeling like I just got paid. I could do this every day. Never looking down when I'm on my way up. Keep a smile on my face, cause I sleeping all day and stay up all night. I'm living my dream, I'm living my life. Got nowhere to be and nothing to do but kick my feet up and enjoy the view. I'm in a $1 million mood. I'ma shout it from the roof in a $1 million mood.
Our journey hasn't been easy. Life tested us and there were moments when giving up seemed like the easier choice. Pero pinili nating manatili, lumaban at dahil doon mas lalo tayong tumibay.
Because I'm way up. I keep on smiling cause I'm in a $1 million mood. I'm about to blast off in a rocket to the moon. Yeah.
Baby, I promise to you to love you in any circumstances. Always hear you out. Me and you against the world. Ika nga nila. Ito na yun. Ito na. Yung matagal nating iniintay. Totoo na ito. Kakayahan natin lahat ng mga pagsubok sa buhay basta magkasama natin itong haharapin. I love you so much, baby ko. Let's make a hatching family together. It started with a hi and end up with I do.
I love you.
I love you so much.
Ikaw aking musika.
Lagi kayo magdasal, tapos mag-ingat kayo lagi. Alagaan mo si Estong, alam kong alagaan ka na Estong. At ito na yung huling makakasama ka namin ng bilang dalaga dahil bukas, mamaya lang, hindi mo na dalaga apelido natin. Isa ka ng Wenceslao.
Tandaan mo lagi ang mga sinasabi ko sa iyo, Iwasan mo yung pagiging masyadong mataray kay Estong. Yun lang. Love you.
Itsura ng naging pagsinta. Kung oras ay nababalik lang sana, ay babalik nung una kang nakita. Muli kang liligawan ng muli kong maranasan ng umibig sa anghel sa lupa. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ng tinig ay di mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala, ikaw aking musika.
Our love story. It started with a hi Kilala ko na si Isa since I was teenager, pero si Isa, invisible pa ako sa kanya. Palagi kami nagkikita sa simbahan, pero one day, naglakas loob na ako mag-message sa FB ng hi. After ko masend, kinabahan ako. Nagpunta ako sa court, nag-shooting, baka kasiisin lang ako. Pero thank you Lord, nag-message back siya.
Oras ay nagbabalik lang sana, ay babalik nung unang kang nakita, at aking iuulat sa...
Thank you Mama Emma and Papa Chris for trusting me, your unika iha. I promise that I'm always here for her. No matter what, I will love her for the rest of my life and always support her. Mahal na mahal ko ang nag-iisa niyong anak na si Isa.
ng kanta, kumupas man ng tinig ay di mawawala, hiwag ka mong dala.
Di lang sa motor at sasakyan mo ako magiging passenger princess. Sasamahan kita sa kahit anong landas na tatahakin natin, smooth man or bumpy road, basta magkasama tayo. Kahit ulit-ulitin man ang buhay ko, ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko hanggang sa huli. I love you so much, my answered prayer. Ba't umiyak ka? Ba't umiyak ka?
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng